today I'm going to show you how to flip an egg without breaking it. If you're using your triceps to flip an egg, you're not doing it right. It will be broken. Good morning. Hello. Welcome to Behind the Brain. I'm Christian from Cooking with My Dumb Friends. I know you've seen it because you already are subscribed. We do these Behind the Brains to try and teach you guys something that you'd want to know about cooking. All these little tips and tricks that make you look like a bomb-ass cook in the kitchen. Definitely let us know in the comments, what do you want to learn? Like, what's that one skill that's keeping you from really taking on your badassery? Because I can show you. I know it. Cool. You're probably wondering why I have a piece of bread, but I'll explain that in a second. What's key about the eggs is the flipping motion, right? It's hard for a lot of people to get that down. But the bread allows you to practice without worrying about breaking eggs, right? So it's kind of a circular motion where you're coming around, right? Obviously this bread is bigger than an egg and heavier, so you can be a little more gentle when it's an egg, but it allows you to really get the motion down. I'm gonna eat this later. We want to turn our pan on. I usually put my pan on medium high, and you want to add the oil right away so that it can heat up with the pan, and you never really want to heat up an empty pan. You want to make sure to have enough oil to coat the pan. So even in a non-stick pan, you need some oil. So you want to let it get warm. Crack your egg. Open it. I like my eggs a little less than over medium. I like the white all the way cooked, but the yolk as runny as I can get it. And the white actually cooks faster than the yolk. It's looking pretty good. Nice and yolky. All right, looks good to me. It's as easy as that, guys. Just 1, 2, flip. And you can practice with your bread so you don't have to break a bunch of eggs in the process. So don't forget, comment below and let us know what you want to learn about and Behind the Brain. And I will see you all next time. Thanks for subscribing.